now that we have sort of the what's going to happen, so we have our person getting a raise from $10 per hour to $20, right? Their wage has increased. Okay, we're concerned with breaking this into the income effect and the substitution effect. Now remember, the income effect says that we work less as income, Y increases. And the substitution effect says that we work more as W increases. Okay? And we're concerned with which one dominates. Okay, so we know you're going to work more. So we already know that the substitution effect must be bigger than the income effect. Okay, so we already know that that's true. But we want to know how much bigger. Okay, so how we can do this is actually somewhat clever. So what we do is we take what we're going to do is we're going to take our old budget constraint, okay, and we're going to imagine that we face that $10 an hour wage, and we want to give this person sort of enough money to get them up to what will be their new indifference curve. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to shift it such that the old budget constraint, we're going to shift it straight up, lies tangential to our new indifference curve. Okay, so I'm going to do that with this paper because it'll make it easy to show you guys. Okay, so we've got it here, okay, and we shift it straight up. All right, so it looks like, if I do this correctly, looks like the tangent is right here, let's say. Okay, not quite. Where'd it go? So I shift it up, right here. Okay, so I draw my curve, right? Okay, so here, just because I've drawn these so loosely, the income effect, right, suggests that this person might work, let's say, 5 hours. So they have 11 hours of leisure. So here, the income effect is to work 1 hour less. All right? And then because we know that the income effect plus the substitution effect equals the total effect, we know that the substitution effect must be to work 5 hours more, right? Because if I'm working 1 hour less because of the income effect, and if my total change is 4, it must be the case that the raise induces me to give up 5. The raise alone induces me to give up 5 more hours of my life. Okay, and so that would be how we would show the income and substitution effects. Let's do another one that perhaps shows the income effect being larger. Okay.